I was able to claim this $15 no deposit bonus for trading the Forex market or to test out new trading strategies without ever risking a cent from my own capital. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to claim this trading credit, so that if you also want to trade or practice in the real Forex environment without ever risking your own capital, you can also do the same. Actually, before claiming this bonus or even trading with it, you have to pass through their KYC verification process, meaning you have to upload some documents to verify you're truly an indigent of the country you chose, and to also prove you're a real person. Now, for most of you wondering,
is this free Forex trading capital available in my country?
The answer is yes. This Forex no deposit bonus is available to everyone from all over the world. To successfully claim this bonus, you'd need a smartphone, obviously, a very strong internet connection, your identity card, and also your full attention to this video. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome to Smart Hustle Media. On this channel, I make thorough research for the best free Forex and crypto trading bonuses to claim and trade for free without any fear of losing our own capital in the Forex market, and also be able to withdraw from it without any complications. So if you're interested in trading the Forex market for free with no deposit bonuses, and also be able to withdraw unlimited amounts of profits made from these accounts, then hit that subscribe button and activate the bell icon to receive the latest updates from me on this channel. Also hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm so that this video can get to a wider audience, including your mom, dad, and friends. And with all that said, guys, let's get started. I will be dropping the link to this broker on my free Telegram channel linked below. Join my free Telegram channel using the link in the pinned comment or the description box of this video. Once you click the link to this broker, it's going to take you straight to this broker's homepage. As you can see, guys, they say pass the quiz and get $15 trading credit that you can use to trade the Forex market and test out your trading skill with this capital without risking your own money. To get started, click on this button that says Start Quiz and give it a few seconds to redirect you to this login form if you haven't signed in already. To sign in successfully, type in the correct email and password you use to register into the appropriate field, and then click the Login button to proceed. But if you don't have an account yet, click this text Register that is displayed right here, and give it a few seconds to redirect you to this registration form. Now, make sure that every single detail you're going to be filling here is correct, and also matches with the one on your identity card, because you'll have to verify your identity before being credited with the bonus. After registration, you would receive your login password to your Gmail account. That's the password you would always use to log into your account. You can also change it in your profile settings if you don't like the password. Once logged into your account, you would be asked to complete your profile information that was not included during the registration. Then you click on the Continue button below to proceed. The next step is to select your country of residence and the city you reside in. Then you specify your email address if you used phone number to register. Once all that is done, click the Continue button below to proceed. If everything was done successfully, you would get this message that you have successfully completed the registration process, and an email will be sent to the email account you use for this registration. If you don't see the email on your notifications folder, head over to your spam folder and you'd see the message right there at the top. This email would contain an email verification link to confirm the email belongs to you. So click that verification link to verify you're the owner of the email you used for the registration. It also helps secure your account from unauthorized login when a different IP address is detected. After verifying your email, the next step is to pass identity verification by uploading your identity card or passport for verification. After uploading your identity card, click this Submit button right here to upload it for review. According to their support team, verification on this broker could take up to 72 hours for review, which is about 3 fucking days. I mean, what the hell are they reviewing for that long? Anyways, after your verification has been approved, you have to create a new live trading account so that the bonus can be credited to that trading account, allowing you to trade and achieve the desired lots with this account before profit withdrawals are unlocked. After creating your live account, come back to this page and start the quiz by clicking this yellow button right here. After completing this quiz and you successfully passed each question, your $15 trading credit along with 20 points will be credited to your trading account automatically, and you can use it to start trading for free without risking your own capital. I have already claimed my bonus, so I won't be allowed to solve this quiz for the second time, but if you followed the steps I've just shown you in this video, you'll also get yours successfully. For most of you, asking for the terms and conditions for withdrawals, I'm going to read them out so that you know the desired trading turnover you're to achieve before you're eligible to withdraw some amount of profits as a reward for the hustle. Let's start from terms number 3. To complete the quiz, the participant is given 3 attempts and 3 hours for each attempt. 4. After successful completion of the quiz, the participant is automatically awarded 20 points in Stream Club. 5. After successful completion of the quiz, a bonus of $15 is available to the participant. 5.1. To activate the bonus, you must have a trading account. 5.2. The bonus does not apply to the account safe service. 5.3. The bonus is credited to the trading account in the credit column. The bonus is not available for withdrawal, but it is fully involved in maintaining free funds and the margin level, including in case of drawdown. The stop-out level on the account does not change, but still corresponds to the level stated in the section Specification of Trading Instruments on the company's website. 5.4. The earned funds in excess of the bonus provided are available for withdrawal after making at least 20 trades on the trading account, with a total volume of at least 4.5 lots, and not earlier than 30 days after the bonus is credited. These are the most important terms you need to know. If you want, you can check out the rest of the terms and conditions on this page to know more. Now, to round up this video, I've just shown you how to claim this free Forex capital and also talked about the terms and conditions for withdrawing from it. And if you follow every single step that I just shared with you in this video, you have 95% chance of successfully getting this free Forex trading capital. The problem though is that sometimes these no deposit bonuses do expire after a certain period of time. So if you're watching this video after a few months of uploading it and this offer has ended, don't panic. I have a few but effective solutions to help solve this issue. The first solution is to check out the playlist that will pop up at this corner of the video. That way, you'll find other recent bonuses that are available to claim and start your trading journey for free, and of course be able to withdraw all profits made on these accounts without ever worrying about the risks attached to the Forex market. The second solution is to hit that subscribe button and activate the bell icon to stay updated whenever a new video is uploaded. Don't forget to also hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm so that this video gets to a wider audience, including your mom, dad, and friends. The final solution is to join our Telegram community using the link in the description box or pinned comment below. That way, you can get updates that was not uploaded to this channel directly from me. You can also chat with other members of the community whenever the group is open for questions. If you ever get confused or have any other questions, drop a comment below and I'll reply with a solution. Also, comment down below your country of residence, as it helps me search for the best free Forex capital that's available specifically for your country. And with all that being said and done, guys, I wish you all a fruitful and successful week. See you all on my next video. Peace.